Approach Iberia 6123 Heavy. Good afternoon. We are descending, passing now 13,000, descending 12,000.
6123 Heavy approach, expect vectors ILS from 100, descend to maintain 10,000.
Descending 10,000 Iberia 6123 Heavy.
1273, contact approach 133.05.
3305 American 1273.
That was 3923, turn right heading 010.
Right turn 010, southwest 3920.
And contact Miami approach 133.77.
Alright, 3377, right turn 030, southwest 3920.
Area 6123 Heavy, descend to maintain 8,000.
Down to 8,000 Iberia 6123 Heavy.
American 935, contact approach 133.05.
13305, American 935.
Area 6123 Heavy, reduce speed to 210.
Reducing 210 Iberia 6123.
Southwest 1216, flighting 010 for descent.
010 heading southwest 1216.
Area 6123 Heavy, descend to maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000 Iberia 6123 Heavy.
VASAviation open descent 4,000 feet.
Area 6123 Heavy, contact approach 133.05.
13305 Iberia 6123, bye.
Miami Center, good day, YANKEE 038, next to Flipper, 280 knots.
Avianca 038, Miami approach, expect vectors ILS runway 9er, descend to maintain 10,000.
Greater to grits, and then 170 knots or greater to INESS.
210 or greater to grits, and then 170 to INESS or greater, American 2025. knots till which point, please?
INESS.
Okay, till INESS 170-133.9 is the frequency?
Iberia 6123, Iberia 123.9.
Okay, bye-bye. Miami Tower, Iberia 6123 Heavy, good afternoon, we are established 9 miles south.
Good afternoon, Iberia 6123 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 9 are clear to land, traffic landing runway 12, a Boeing 737 will hold short at the intersection.
Okay, clear to land 09, Iberia 6123 Heavy.
Short of runway 9 or traffic landing Boeing 737.
12, clear to land, hold short of runway 9 or Envoy 3334.
Envoy 3334, start bringing the speed back for me, please. Traffic will hold and depart runway 9 prior to your arrival slot.
We're slowing down, Envoy 3334.
Give us those taxi instructions again for American 2025.
American 2025 Tango, Yankee, hold short of runway 12.
Tango Yankee short of 12, thank you.
100 above. 200. Minimum. Continue.
Landco 1801 Heavy, Miami Tower, traffic will land runway 12, traffic 10 miles final for your runway 9er, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 9er, land 1801 Heavy.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
Heavy, turn left, first available, looks like uniform, hold short of runway 12.
Left on uniform and we hold short runway 12, Iberia 6123. 2343 for runway 9.
American 2445, turn left at Victor, contact ground 121.8, uniforms also approved.
Left at Victor, 0.8, American 2445.
Lanco 1801 heavy without delay, turn right heading 170. Runway 9 are cleared for takeoff, traffic 2 out for runway 12.
Heading 120, clear for takeoff, runway 9, Lanco 1801 heavy.
American 343, Miami Tower, traffic's on departure road, runway 9 are clear to land, additional traffic landing runway 12 will hold short at the intersection.
American 343.
Miami Tower, American 1419, ILS runway 9.
American 1419, Miami Tower, runway 9 are clear to land, hold short of runway 12, traffic landing, heavy Airbus.
To land runway 9, hold short of 12, American 1419.
Heavy establishing LS12.
Alitalia 63 Kilo Delta Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 12, clear to land, traffic landing, runway 9er will hold short at the intersection. Land 1801 heavy, contact departure, take care. Envoy 3334, turn left at Yankee, continue northbound, contact ground 121.8.
Continue on Yankee and contact ground 121.8.
Iberia 6123 heavy, cross runway 12, traffic 4 mile funnel, taxi straight ahead to the ramp.
We cross runway 12, straight ahead to the ramp, Iberia 6123.
American 2025, traffic 3.5 mile funnel, cross runway 12, contact ground 121.8.
Clear to cross 12, ground 0.8, American 2025.
If it's straight ahead to the ramp.
American 343, turn left, join Tango, Yankee, hold short of runway 12.
Tango, Yankee, hold short of 12, 343.
Iberia 6123 heavy, make a right turn at Victor to the ramp.
Right, Victor to the ramp, Iberia 6123, thank you.
Miami Tower, good day.
Muchas gracias.
Good afternoon, Avianca 038, Miami Tower, runway
Por aquí
9
a la
clear to
derecha.
land.
Y allí tengo ya muchos señales.
Clear to land, runway 09.